The Internet of Things, IoT, has changed the way we live and work, but the Internet of Everything, IO, is taking it to the next level. The IO refers to the interconnectedness of people, processes, data, and things to create a more connected and intelligent world. With the IO, we can connect devices and systems that were previously siloed and create new opportunities for innovation and efficiency. For example, in the transportation industry, the IO can be used to optimize supply chain operations, reduce traffic congestion, and improve safety. By connecting vehicles, transportation systems, and data, we can create a more efficient and safe transportation system. In the energy sector, the IO can be used to optimize energy consumption, improve grid efficiency, and reduce carbon emissions. By connecting energy generation and consumption data, we can make informed decisions about energy usage and reduce waste. This will help to lower energy costs and improve the sustainability of our energy systems. In healthcare, the IO can be used to improve patient outcomes and reduce costs. By connecting devices and systems, healthcare providers can gather data on patient health and make informed treatment decisions. This will help to improve patient outcomes and reduce the cost of care. In agriculture, the IO can be used to optimize food production, improve crop yields, and reduce waste. By connecting data from sensors, weather systems, and farming equipment, farmers can make informed decisions about planting, harvesting, and distribution. This will help to increase food production, improve crop yields, and reduce waste. However, to fully leverage the potential of the IO, organizations need to be able to collect, store, and analyze data effectively. They also need to ensure that the systems they are connecting are secure, privacy compliant, and transparent. Ensuring the security and privacy of the data being collected and analyzed is also critical. These are certainly important considerations for organizations to keep in mind as they connect devices and systems to create the Internet of Everything.